Hello guys, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing, a new world of accessibility. Ritul this side from Accessible Computing. In this video, we will be talking about another app cab application called InDrive. Through InDrive, you can book cabs in your local cities and outstations also. Additionally, you can get more services. But today in this video, we will only learn how to book a cab using this application. You can download this application from Google Play Store. The link is available in the video description below as well as on our official Telegram channel. Once you download the application, you need to register using your mobile number and name. You need to allow your location permission because without location permission, this app will not work and the app cannot detect your location, which is an essential permission to use this app. The best part is you can book affordable drives through these applications. Yes, it's really affordable. Now we will see how it works. Let's start. After opening this application, you will see this interface.
Menu button.
Menu.
Share button.
Share button.
Back to my location button.
Back to my location.
Trips between cities. Choose outstation checkmark button. Book one seat or the car.
If you want to trip between cities, you need to choose the outstation option. Today, we will see only how you can book a car.
Ticked. Ride AC in list.
Ride AC. So if you want to book AC car.
Not ticked. Ride.
Ride. It is a general car.
Not ticked. Moto.
Moto is a motor or bike, you can say.
Not ticked. Outstation.
Then outstation.
Nangi Kashkara Road. Budge
So let's say
not ticked.
I'm
Moto.
choosing AC.
Not Nangi Kashkara Road. Budge. Nangi. Pickup location. Out of list.
So this is my pickup location. You need to press and double tap here.
Nangi Kashkara Road. Choose a list. Close. Showing
Close.
Stop recording. Image. 3 minutes. Choose on map.
So click and choose on
One
map.
result found. Keyboard. Nangi Kashkara.
See, here there are a lot of locations. 2-3 locations are available here.
Battery 6. Nangi Kashkara Road. Window it. Done. Button. Nangi Stop recording. Done. Back. Button. Nangi. Done.
So just click on done button.
Menu. Share. Button. Back to my trips between. Ticked. Not. High demand. Destination. Destination.
Destination. Okay.
Destination.
Click on destination.
No results found. Choose on map.
And
No
enter the
results found.
destination.
Inlet. Close. Out of list. Stop recording. For B. Delete. Comma with L. 4 minutes. 9 L. Delete. Check L. Delete.
Let's say I'm typing airport.
A. No results found. I. No results found. E. R. P. 5 list. 5 results found.
C.
Choose on editing. Choose airport. Dum West Bengal. 20. Airport 1 no. Gate bus stop. SH1.
Okay.
International airport. Modelo Colony. Airport. Kolkata Airport Road. International airport. Airport 2 no. Gate. Modelo. Airport. Airport 1 no. Airport. Dum
So let's say
West
I'm choosing this
Loading.
airport. So I'm going to
Recommended
go
price
to
excluding
airport.
possible toll roads and park. Extra stop. Airport. Dum West Bengal. Destination.
Now next is
Extra stop. Button.
extra stop. So for example, you are traveling and in the mid of your road of your journey, one of your friend will come. So this is why you can add extra stop where this InDrive will go and take your friend. Okay.
Recommended price excluding possible toll roads and parking fee 779. Travel time 1 hour 20 minutes.
So travel time is 1 hour 20 minutes and your fee is
Recommended price excluding possible toll roads and parking fee 779. Travel time 1 hour 20 minutes.
779. So 779 it is the fees to go to airport. Right?
779. Cash. Offer your fare.
So this is the place where you can offer your fare and then drivers will also get a fare. Okay. So let's say here I can put it is 779, so I can put 750, I can put 600, I can put 700, I can put 750, whatever, and that fare will be shown to the driver's app. And let's say drivers can offer another price also. For example, driver can offer 800 rupees. Some drivers can offer 900 rupees, 757 rupees, 725 rupees. So whichever drivers you want, you need to accept them. Okay, why I am telling all these things? Because that screen will no longer be active for a long time, so that's why I'm telling here. Okay, so here you can write your offer price. Let's say I'm
779. Cash.
Okay, that's
Offer
it.
your fare.
I'm offering 750.
Delete. Delete.
Say.
7 2 5 8 0 0 0 0.
So 700 I'm typing. Let's
Edit.
see.
See high demand. Try rate. Tick. Cash. In list. Not tick. Close. Out of list.
Then
Done. Stop. Done.
Click on done button.
Keyboard hidden. In drive.
Now see.
Options and stop recording. Image. Option 700. Cash. Offer your fare.
700.
Recommended price excluding possible toll roads and parking fee 779. Travel
So
time 1 hour 20 minutes.
this is the cost. I mean average cost excluding the parking fee and toll fee. Okay.
7 options and comments. Options and comments.
So any options and comments you can write.
Stop. 7 minutes. Menu. Share. Back. Tick. Not. Hide. Find a. Nandi Gosh.
Okay.
Find a driver button.
Then click on this find a driver button. Once you click on find the driver button, you can see the drivers and offering. So I'll show you quickly. So I'm clicking on here and listen carefully. Okay.
Request processing. In drive. Finding drivers. 2 active bids.
See.
Decline button.
Bid
700. 5 minutes.
700.
Raja, Maruti Suzuki Alto. Rating 4.7. 11
Okay.
seconds left. 4 active
See.
bids. 5. Decline. Accept. 810. 5 minutes.
See,
Himanta,
800
Maruti Suzuki
another-
Desire. Rating
another
4.1.
one.
Decline.
Decline
button.
and
3 active bids. 810. 5
See.
minutes. Decline. Accept.
Accept. So
button.
if you click
2
on
active
accept,
bids.
then it will be
800.
accepted.
707.
Driver will
Cancel.
come.
Didn't find
See.
offers that suit you?
Okay. See,
Get. Didn't find offers that
the
suit you?
screen the screen disappeared, right? That's why I told you, na?
Get. Cancel this request.
So
Get more offers button.
if you click on get more offers, then again the process will start.
Request processing. 700.
processing.
Raise fare
See.
disabled. To get fast offer from the driver, you can raise the price below. Finding 1 active bid. 700. Decline.
Again.
700. 5 minutes.
700.
Maruti. Decline. Accept.
So
Button.
click on
4
accept,
active
then
bids.
you can
700. Decline. 770. 7. Accept.
Okay.
810. 6 minutes. Decline. Accept. Button. 4 active bids. 810. 7 minutes. Ajijul Islam. Maruti Suzuki Desire. Rating 4.7.
So
4
you get
seconds
all
left.
these
3
details,
active
okay?
bids. 2 active
So
bids.
you can,
1 active bid. 700. Cash.
take-
No active bids. Cancel this request. Button.
so I'm just cancelling this request.
Loading. In drive.
Okay, so this is how you can easily cancel any request. So this is how you can book the car. Friends, I didn't use InDrive yet on my own, but few of my friends they used and they give me a very good feedback. So you can easily book a car. Okay, so if you want to know more about these applications or any settings or anything, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to make another videos because this is one application which I found and it is very accessible with Talkback. So thanks to InDrive to make this application accessible with screen readers. That's it for the day. I hope this video finds you well. If you find this content useful, do not forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends. Let me know in the comment section which application do you use for your cab purpose into the comment section. Okay, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos like this for free. See you in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Thank you for watching.